Alrighty, you're probably here because your Aerogarden sprout kind of stopped aerating the water, kind of plugged up over time. I'm going to show you how to clean it real quick. So I've already removed the reservoir from the unit. I used an old toothbrush and some Q-tips to clean it out already. Alrighty, so we're going to try and remove this air orifice real quick. Got a pair of pliers here, should do the job. Now for video purposes, I've already loosened it up real quick. Just pops out for there, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Alrighty, now that it's off, we can see the little hole, little orifice that gets plugged over time. I'm going to show you how to clean it out real quick. Get a seal in here. And just give it a little tap on the counter real quick. Pop everything out. Oh, there we go. Here's the inner piece. See some of that build up. Oop. Alrighty, clean this up and get right back with you. Alrighty, here's the outer piece. There's a hole right there. Look to the side, you see some buildup. Clean that out as well. Alrighty, I have everything cleaned up. Here's the inner piece. Make sure the bore is cleaned out all the way. I gave the seal a quick rinse as well. And the outer piece. Alright, I have everything assembled. Piece just slides into the outer. Doesn't need to go in any direction. Alrighty, you want to make sure that little orifice is facing forward. Like so. Alrighty, I have the reservoir back on the unit. Just like that. All cleaned out. Now for some planting.